welcome to the new exciting video, and in this video we will see how we can upgrade or downgrade any EC2 instance after it is created. So let's get started. Okay, so first you need to log into your AWS console, and from here you can create an EC2 instance. So we will create a new EC2 instance for demonstration. So I am in the EC2 instance and I will click on the launch instance. So let's say we will see it as T2 instance, and image we will use Ubuntu. You can choose any and you can go with the free tier for the initial demo, and then after that we will upgrade. And the instance type, so for now I am let's say we'll go with T2 small, or so we'll go with the T2 small and key pair. So I'm not creating any key pair now for now because we don't have to log into our EC2 instance for now, and all these things will be remain same. This one is for storage, and I will just click on the launch instance tab. Key pair. Okay, so for key pair we will say proceed without key pair and launch instance. Okay, so our instance is ready now. As you can see, it's in the pending state. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, now as you can see, our instance is running now, and here you can find all the details and so now suppose your application is working fine for now, but in future maybe you will get more traffic on your site and you will see some lag, or sometimes your website is not responding due to high traffic. So in that case what we will do is we will just upgrade the instance type from T2 to T2 small to T2 medium or large, something like that, or you can even downgrade as well. So if you see now currently under the actions instance setting, you cannot change the instance type. So what you need to do is first you need to stop the instance. So we'll just stop the instance and let's wait for it to stop. Okay, so our instance is stopped, and now again we'll go to the details page, and under the actions instance settings you can see our change instance type is now active. So click on the change instance type, and from here you can either you can upgrade or you can download. So for now what we will do is we will upgrade it to suppose we will change we can change the transfer family as well. From T2 small to we can go to T2 medium, T2 large and T2 micro. So what we'll do is we'll just upgrade it to T3 medium and apply. So after changing the instance type, you can just directly select it and instance state, start the instance, and that's how we'll just upgrade our instance types. And that's how we'll just instance type. Okay, and you can see our instance is running now, and you can connect with the instance from here. So we are able to connect with our upgraded instance. That's all in this video.